Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed flat today, absolutely flat, and whatever we are witnessing in last 3-4 trading sessions is just a consolidation. A small pullback has just happened in last 1 week, and now I'll be expecting this pullback to complete and slide down because Nifty's been forming lower tops, low bottom. This range has broken on the downside, so I'll be expecting a good sell-off from these levels at least. But right now the momentum indicator has just given a buy signal, so that's a worry for the short side, and I'll be expecting this small whipsaw here. Again, the momentum indicator should give a sell signal in the very short term and give us a good slide on the downside, which can be the last slide on the downside till 5900 or till 5600, which is a 61% retracement of the entire rally which we saw from 5100 to 6400. So entire rally should be retraced, and then again the next move should start. That's what I'll be expecting, and from these levels the whipsaw is very high probability because the momentum indicators on the hourly charts have given a sell signal. So I'll be expecting this consolidation to break on the downside and give us a target of around 5900 in the short term and 5600 in the medium term outlook. The entire rally has been retraced almost 38%. So from these levels I'll be expecting a good sell-off. This range should break on the downside. Previous swing low is around 6100, so 6100 remains a very crucial level to watch in the very short term. Bank Nifty again forming a triangular pattern, same like before, and I'll be expecting this triangular pattern to break on the downside. But even on Bank Nifty, the momentum indicators have given a buy signal, so it's a little worry for the short side. But the support would be around 10,100 and 9,900. Resistance would be around 10,350 and 10,600. I'll not be expecting markets to go above 20 daily moving average, which is around 10,600 levels. L&T has formed a head and shoulder pattern here, and I'll be expecting a good sell-off in this stock. The momentum indicator is just about to give a sell signal here, completed a cycle till zero line, so I'll be expecting a good sell-off in this stock at least. Stop loss should be maintained at 1023 and target would be around 970 and 950. PNB again forming lower tops, lower bottom. This consolidation is expected to break on the downside, but the momentum indicator has given a buy signal, so I'll be expecting this a little whipsaw here, and it should slide till the previous swing low, which is around 500 levels. So the stop loss should be maintained at 556 and target would be around 530 and 550 in the very short term. Overall friends, it's a little caution time on the short side as well as on the long side. Both market is in the range. I'll be expecting markets to break this range on the downside for a target of 5900 and 5600. The stop loss should be very strict. In the very short term, the stop loss is 6170. If we close above 6170, which is close to 20 daily moving average, if we close above that, then the new move on the upside will start, and the targets on the upside would be the previous swing high, which is all-time high, 6415 in cash levels. But right now I'll be expecting this range to break on the downside for a target of 5900 and 5600. Thank you so much.